So it's
We'll get all the shit off your roof, no problems.
It's Dushack Incorporated.
Yeah. Dushack Etc.
Come on down to Dushack Etc. We'll leaf blow the roof of your cabin.
But as you can see, we do not require the use of safety equipment whatsoever. Look at this shot. As you can see, Nick is successfully blowing the needles off the roof. What a successful day for Nick. And he was so good, we hired him full time. We don't pay him that great, but he does it anyway. Thanks, Nick.
Thanks, Nick. Thanks, honey.
Don't forget, I love you.